have several of my very first HVAC videos on my Facebook account, so I decided I would do a kind of a video of a video. Got the first Goodman video right there, and the first video I ever made of my air conditioners and posted to YouTube. And I also have the now deceased 1999 Rheem heat pump and my aunt's 2001 Trane XE1000 defrosting. Alright, let's get this in full screen. Hold on a minute. Okay, it is now in full screen. Here we go. And as you can see, back in 2008, it still had the Energy Guide sticker. That has long since disintegrated and worn away. Alright, now for the video of my carriers. Here is the first video I ever made of my carrier air conditioners. This video is from 2008, like the summer of 2008. I think it was in August. And as you will see, the Energy Guide stickers are still on the sides of the unit. It is now 2011 and they have totally worn away. Like they're there, but you can't read them at all. Yeah, that was it. My friend actually just messaged me. Alright, so that was the 2008 carriers. Now I'm either going to do the Rheem or the Trane. Got a shitload of videos on here. Bunch of videos from the Concours to Elegance. There's one of my first. There is the unit that the Amana replaced in 2009. It is a 1999 Rheem 10-seer heat pump, I believe 3 nominal tons, and it has a Copeland scroll compressor. This was July 4th, 2008. Or, well, it was a 4th of July party. My uncle regularly throws his Independence Day party either the day before or the day after 4th of July, depending on what's more convenient. So I think this might have been July 3rd of '08. But yeah, it was like in the 90s that day. I had my camera with me as usual, and I filmed the heat pump. So that is the 1999 Rheem. This is a 5-minute long video that I'm going to have to stop and start at random moments because there's more in it than just the heat pump. There is the goldfish pond, and you can see a little sliver of my uncle's Ford Ranger that he no longer owns. That was the one that was wrecked, and he got it real cheap from like an insurance auction or something, and he painted it orange and did kind of a Harley-Davidson theme. It's a 2002 Ford Ranger, the absolute base model. It had air conditioning, and that was about it. It was white, and it didn't have any other options. Vinyl seats, plastic floor. It was a fleet truck, but it had the 4-liter V6, the biggest engine, still the biggest engine available on the Ranger today. One time he did a massive burnout in that truck and left a huge smoldering rubber streak on the pavement. There's the Ranger. Alright, so there's a little closer look at the Ranger. There is our Odyssey in all its glory. Alright, hold on a minute. And here comes the heat pump. I miss that thing. Sounds like a chopper. It sounds exactly like a helicopter hovering, in my opinion. Can't believe this was almost 3 years ago. One last look before we move on. Yeah, that thing seriously sounds like a helicopter. And that's it. Don't think there's any more footage of the heat pump in this video. I'll check, but I don't think there is. This is another video from 2008 that I forgot about. 4 York Latitude Series straight cool air conditioners at an 8,000 square foot house. This was the 2008 Philly designer house. And I believe this was in September of 2008. Here we go. Here's the cool heating system. And here is the air conditioning. York. conditioner. There's another house. This is the most beautiful piece of property I've ever seen. Well, maybe not the most beautiful property I've ever seen, but it's nice. Don't know what the hell that is supposed to be. There's the pool. Back of the house. Alright, now for the Trane heat pump defrosting. Here is my very first heat pump defrost video. 2001 Trane XE1000 Weathertron at my aunt's house. Nice steam show. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.